Hello, it's Salimik. Have you wondered why windshield wipers making this annoying sound and skipping some spots? What if I can tell you it can be fixed without replacing wipers? In most cases, the wipers are fine, no need to replace them, and the windshield is clean from water spot, so it doesn't require cleaning or polishing. The problem is the wiper angle sitting on the windshield. If we take this squeegee for example, it has to sit on the surface perpendicularly and not like this. If it's sitting like this, it will make annoying sound and jumping from spot to spot. But once we fix the angle, it will swing with the direction of the wiper and not making any sound. So if we look at the wipers, it moves forward. In this case, we have to twist the arm from here and make the wiper sit perpendicularly on the glass. Then it will swing with the direction of the wiper. Now I'm gonna remove the wipers and show you the condition of the rubber. And don't leave the arm like this, always put a towel around it and lower it down. If the arm drops without the towel around it, it will definitely break the glass. If we look at the rubber, you can see a slight bend to the front, but overall the condition of the rubber is very good and there is no damage on it. So you're gonna put it back. So all we're gonna need, two adjustable wrench so we can hold and twist the arm to the right angle. And I'm gonna take piece of shop towel here and put it under a wrench and twist the arm. In this case it won't damage the paint. Alright, we're gonna have to twist the arm at the end near the wiper just like this. You have to twist it inwards so the rubber will be perpendicular on the glass. We just have to twist it a bit and test it out. Alright, right now the wiper rubber perpendicular on the glass. And here's how it was before and here's how it is now. Let's turn it on and test it out. We can see just with twisting the arm a bit, not only wiping better, but it sounds more quiet. Most of the times you don't need to replace the wipers to the new ones. If you check the wiper rubbers are in good condition, then you have a problem with the angle. You just have to check the rubber how it's sitting on the glass. And that is how to fix jumping and skipping spot windshield wipers without replacing. Hope you guys found the video useful and learned something new. If it was, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.